Hello YouTube family, I'm just showing you guys my late night Thursday snack. So we just cut up some cucumbers. And this is what I like to eat on my cucumbers. My Western dressing, bacon bits of course, garlic powder, black pepper, and Italian dressing. So I'm going to start with my black pepper. I don't use a lot, y'all, just a little for the taste. My garlic powder, my Italian dressing, which is back some. Just a little French. I be scared, y'all, because this French got a big hole. It don't have a small hole like the Italian dressing, so you gotta be careful. But this is my favorite dressing ever. This French dressing, y'all. This Western French dressing so good. And my bacon bits. And y'all, if I feel I don't have enough of this while I'm eating, I just come back and get some more. Well, other than that, I did the best I can holding the phone. But yeah, this is my late night snack, y'all. I had cucumbers last night. I'm gonna have cucumbers tonight. And sometimes cucumbers just a good snack. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Get y'all some cucumbers for a good snack. Love y'all. See you later.